Welcome back to Car Garage USA, the place where luxury meets performance and future cars come to life. If you love premium vehicles and honest reviews, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Now let's step straight into the future with one of the most luxurious electric sedans ever built, the 2026 BMW i7-X. The 2026 BMW i7-X is BMW's flagship all-electric luxury sedan, designed for people who want absolute comfort, cutting-edge technology, and silent power in one stunning package. From the moment you see it, the i7-X makes a bold statement with its massive illuminated kidney grille, ultra-slim crystal headlights, and a long, elegant body that screams executive class. This car isn't trying to be subtle, it wants attention, and it gets it. Step inside, and the BMW i7-X feels more like a private jet than a car. Premium merino leather, crystal controls, ambient lighting, and handcrafted details surround you. The rear seats are the real highlight, featuring lounge-style comfort, massage functions, heating, ventilation, and BMW's iconic 31-inch 8K theater screen that drops down from the roof, turning the back seat into a luxury cinema on wheels. This is pure VIP treatment. Up front, the curved BMW display blends a massive digital instrument cluster with a wide infotainment screen powered by the latest iDrive system. Everything is smooth, fast, and intuitive, with voice control, gesture control, and AI-based assistance that learns your driving habits. The cabin is whisper quiet, making every drive feel calm and effortless. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the 2026 BMW i7-X is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive electric setup producing around 536 horsepower. This luxury sedan can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds, which is seriously impressive for a car of this size. Power delivery is instant, smooth, and completely silent. In terms of range, the BMW i7-X offers an estimated driving range of up to 315 miles on a full charge, depending on driving conditions. Fast charging capability allows the battery to recharge up to 80% in roughly 30 minutes using a DC fast charger, making long trips more convenient than ever. Safety and driver assistance are top tier, as expected from BMW. The i7-X comes loaded with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree cameras, self-parking features, and advanced semi-autonomous driving technology that takes stress out of city traffic and highway cruising. Now let's talk about the price. The expected starting price of the 2026 BMW i7-X is around $125,000, and with optional luxury packages and upgrades, it can easily cross $140,000. This places it directly in competition with the Mercedes-Benz EQS and other ultra-luxury electric sedans, and BMW is clearly aiming to dominate this segment. The 2026 BMW i7-X is not just a car, it's a statement of success, innovation, and modern luxury. It's built for those who want the best of everything: comfort, technology, performance, and prestige, all wrapped in a futuristic electric package. That's it for today's review on Car Garage USA. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming car reviews, electric vehicles, and luxury automotive content. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think about the 2026 BMW i7-X. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, right here on Car Garage USA.